Do you want a meal that's both healthy and delicious without turning on the stove? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this Italian chopped salad is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to cook during the hot summer months, the beginning cook, or anyone who loves flavorful salads. If you're brand new to making homemade vinaigrette, there are 3 different ways you can emulsify the dressing, or in other words, mix the oil and vinegar together. There is whisking the ingredients together as seen in the video, shaking all the ingredients together in a jar, or blending them together in a blender. The secret is to find the approach that works best for you. Although optional, adding lemon juice along with red wine vinegar brings in a bright citrusy flavor, while the vinegar adds a deeper fruity tang. The addition of Dijon mustard helps to emulsify the oil and vinegar together while also providing a delicious flavor. However, the secret ingredient that adds in a depth of umami is Worcestershire sauce. Of course, it goes without saying that fresh garlic and oregano makes the vinaigrette incredibly flavorful, and for a slightly spicy kick, add crushed red chili pepper flakes. Once everything is mixed together, transfer to a salad dressing container and store in the refrigerator. Okay, now it's time for the salad. One of the biggest drawbacks to making homemade salads for many people is the hassle of dealing with the lettuce. It can feel time-consuming, messy, and like a chore. I have found one of the easiest ways to prep lettuce is to first chop, rinse it well, and then use a salad spinner to remove all the excess water. Not only does this method prevent water from getting everywhere, it also helps to keep the lettuce perfectly crisp once it's dressed. There are all kinds of lettuces that can be used for the salad, but I really enjoy the combination of romaine, radicchio, and arugula. The romaine serves as a crisp and refreshing base for the salad, while the radicchio adds a pop of color and slightly bitter flavor. Lastly, the arugula adds a taste of peppery kick. Once you have all your lettuce prepared, then you'll add in the crunchy elements like cucumber and onion, and then comes the savory ingredients. There are 2 additions that I think make this salad incredible: Castelvetrano olives and roasted red peppers. The olives are buttery with a mild but irresistible flavor, and the roasted red peppers bring in a smoky sweetness. Whenever possible, I love pumping up the nutritional value of meals, and that is what adding garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, does. Additionally, the beans help to make the salad incredibly satisfying. Rather than using a whole tomato, adding in some variety of cherry-like tomatoes can bring in a burst of sweetness and vibrant color. Look for varieties such as grape, teardrop, or Byron tomatoes. Within the recipe post, I share all kinds of fun variations for the veggies, cheese, meats, and even salad dressings. However, for the meats, the most popular choices are salami, pepperoni, or prosciutto. For the cheese, almost everyone loves provolone, mozzarella, or parmesan. For more recipes like this, and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.